Picture yourself in the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, intermittent wipers. Feel a new sense of confidence every time you take the wheel of this well-built, smooth-riding Sonata. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.